Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Acorns using an easy method. First, download the Acorns app from your app store or visit their website. You'll need to provide some basic personal information to get started. This includes your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to have your bank account details ready for linking. It's a straightforward process designed to get you investing quickly and efficiently. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details, including your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number. This information is crucial for identity verification and regulatory compliance. After that, you'll link your primary checking account. Acorns uses bank-level security to protect your financial data, ensuring your information remains safe. This step allows Acorns to round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Once your personal details are verified, Acorns will ask a few questions to understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. This helps them recommend a suitable investment portfolio for you. You'll then select your preferred portfolio, ranging from conservative to aggressive. Finally, you can set up your initial investment and decide on recurring deposits like $5 a day or $25 a week to consistently grow your savings. To complete your Acorns setup, carefully review all the information you've provided. Double-check your personal details, linked accounts, and investment preferences. Once you're satisfied, confirm your choices and you're ready to start micro-investing. Acorns will begin rounding up your purchases and investing the change, helping you build wealth effortlessly. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.